There's a lot of good artists out there, but I think a lot of them are just afraid to take the risks that Billy took. It's not just in the risks that he takes in the hot shop. I mean, he's out there paragliding and diving and climbing these stupid rocks and whatever, and it's just the way he lives his life. So many artists have always, used nature as a theme, but I don't know anybody who's really lived it like Billy's lived it, and it shows in his work.
I've always been jealous of him for being able to do just about anything he wanted to do. I think that means as much to him, as his artwork. He really, and he probably spends about half his life doing those things. I'm sure it's helped his work.
In this day and age, the outdoors, we say the outdoors and we say nature like it's something outside of ourselves that we need to go and experience. You can't experience something that's part of you. You are it. You are the experience. And it happens within us whether we think so or not, or whether we're aware of it or not. It's going on all the time. And you can't help but get impressions from this. How much do we open ourselves to that? And that's what all I want to do is, I use people to say, well, what do you do? And I'd say, I make things. And now people say, what do you do? And I just say, I just look at things. That's all I want to do.